So much for tuning in. Hope you all have a fabulous and happy is National Nail Technician Day today. So proud of you. Make sure you always be proud because you are deserving it. You are very welcome, Michelle. Thank you so much for great questions. So condensed glue gel, again, do not apply too much and also too little. Too much is going to flood your crystal. Too little is going to make your crystal falling off. So now you're going to give you a couple times. The first time you feel, oh my God, Nancy, I feel like it's just flooding my crystal. It means that you apply a little bit too much of condensed glue gel and too much no wet top coat. So try it again. You see you doing it. Give yourself a couple times, try it. You're gonna get a hang of it. It's awesome. Thank you so much, Anika. So no wet top coat on the top. Keep in mind, if you are doing a matte top coat finish, you add matte instead of shiny top, okay? So I'm floating the no wipe top coat on the top. And now let's do a $20 nail. And now $20 you can do up to 4 centerpiece for the clients. So I'm gonna do one. So beautiful. 2. I'm loving this one.
All right, and for everyone who want to show your work, so feel free to post your pictures on your IG account and make sure to tag us, and the team will take a look over, and sometime we will pick someone to feature on our main page.
Yes, thank you so much. You're all amazing. And all right, so now with the super adorable is $20. So when I bling out of completely now, so what I want to do is like I want to get one more. One more. Great. I'm at right there. So now it looks really good in person though. Too many lightings. I have 4 or 5 lights around me, so then that way Instagram and Facebook can see it so much better. But if you see it in person, it's so gorgeous. All right, so now you can place when you're doing your 4 full nails of a crystal placement. You can definitely doing it them. You see that how I lay, doesn't matter what shape you are picking or choosing. You are going to lay them really close and tight together. And don't afraid of to get them like a different shape. Make sure you puzzle them really tight together. And now we are going to add like different colors. You're gonna add different colors in a different, and that's a really cool about this kit. It had like size SS 16, 12, 10, and 8, 6, and 4. So you have so many size to fit into different edges of your crystal. I love about it because it gives you so many of ideas that you can do. Is limitless of what you can do with this kit. And I couldn't even sleep yesterday because I'm so excited. I said, oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with this kit, and I can see that so much you can do with that. Upsell your service. So now you see, it doesn't matter. I'm placing in like SS10, SS12. It's go tight together, and it's just like and then now you can add beads on it, or you can just like really puzzle them tight together. And I'm gonna go in, add more colors on my continue to add it on more. Your $20 nails, it can be your $25. A lot of salons do $25. And I'm using a lot with size 10s and size 16. this. I'm gonna add this one on. So you added up to 4 centerpiece right here, and then you can continue to add more. Okay. You can see that it starts filling up really nicely. Now continue doing it, and then it come with different sizes. You have like size SS4, SS6, SS8, so you can go to smaller edges. Add it on. See how I'm doing it with this one. This one can be your $20 now, and it's really depend. Okay, some salon charges for like $25-$30. I'm just give you a preference of what you can able to price your clients. However, it's just like give you an idea. Gonna continue doing it more. I place them really tight and close together, and make sure you keep them in the frame. You don't want them to be hanging off on the side to prevent from you know, catching on. That one on. Oh, I'm so in love with this. There's so many colors, and there's so limits of what you can, limitless of what you can do. Add it on. And then I'm loving this one though. The orange has got me. I love it. So now you can fill it in. A lot of requests for like, can you do whole nails, blings? Sure, here you go. Get a little fur right there. And you see that condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat give you ability of take your time doing it, not going to set until you cure it, okay? So you have all the times, plenty of time to work on it. I'm gonna add just a smaller SS4 right there. Okay. Keep everything is in the frame. And also keep in mind the price will be different than different salons, and then just the preference for you to give your clients like $20 nail, $30 nails, or $15 nail, or even $5 nails. All right. One more right there. Great. I'm gonna wipe it off. Hey Dom. So now you're happy with this, you can definitely cure for 60 seconds. If you want to add some beads on, absolutely you can. Get maybe one more beads, one more crystal right here, or maybe one more beads. You know what, this one I like it. Maybe I should put the beads on. I can put randoms like a silver beads on. I'm loving this design so much. So you can do like silver beads, gold beads, and continue to add it on. Hey Dom, happy Sunday. I'm so excited for this kit, and we have questions for how you're able to introduce the crystal, because a lot of you, I know, that's really afraid of to introduce the crystal placement to your clients. You don't know that you're missing a big part of additional income for your salon, because the clients love getting crystal on, but then you're afraid of they're not gonna stay on, and that make you feel like you kind of doubt about this. You're not sure it's gonna stay on, it's gonna come off. So then that's why it make you afraid of to move forward, and don't miss out an opportunity for added additional service for your business. So you can go ahead and add more beads on as you wish, you know. And if you're happy with this, we're going to cure. I'm gonna do one more beads right on this edges right there, where I'm at, right here. And before I cure, I always adjusting it. I'm gonna go back and get the other ends of my crystal picker, and I am going to check. Make sure they are stay inside the frame, which is mean that they stay in the side of the nails. You don't want it hanging off, and then you're going to cure it. Okay,